In less than 5 minutes, I will show you how much YouTube actually paid me for 200 million views, because I got over 2 million subscribers with by 10 different YouTube channels in the past 3 years, and I also helped hundreds of people to do the same. So I know I have a lot of data to support what I'm going to share with you in this video. And my promise is that if you watch this video to the end, you will learn how you can make as much money as possible for the same amount of views, or even with less views. Because, listen to me, we have made more than $36,000 with less than 2,500 views on one channel. And we also made less than $40,000 with 20 million views on another channel. So literally one channel got 1,000 times more views than the other, but they made the same amount of money. And I will share with you how is that possible, right? So first of all, let's start with the channel that got the most amount of views, but made the least amount of money, right? So it was a faceless YouTube channel, and it got about 133 million views in 1 year, and it made about $128,000. So let me find that. Yeah. So this was for the last 6 months, I think, and this one for the year. So it got about 133 million views, and it made about $128,000, right? So it's even a little bit less than $1 for 1,000 views, right? Another channel made about $38,000. Here is the channel, as you can see. It made about $48,000 for 19 million views. So now it's about $2 for 1,000 views, right? So this channel made 2 times amount of the money for the same amount of views, right? As you can see right here. And the reason that this channel made more money than this channel was because it was in a different niche, right? So this channel was in the entertainment niche for teenagers, and this video was for people that love soccer and watch football, right? Basically, it's the same thing. And these 2 channels combined basically made about $170,000, $180,000 with combined views of 133 and 19, so 153 million views, right? But with this channel that I'm showing you right now, that you are watching right now, we only made $45, right? You can say, okay, cool. So, and we made about $4 per 1,000 views. But what if I tell you that I made tens of thousands of dollars with this channel that you're watching right now? How? Because I'm not just focused on getting the most amount of views as possible, but I'm focused on just getting less views, but with the right people, right? So with these videos, I'm making this for entrepreneurs that want to grow their business, and I'm trying to help them. And in return, the people that want to work with me closely with, they just apply to work with me, and I sell them a product that helps them, and I give a guarantee that I will help them to scale their business, right? And because of that, I made tens of thousands of dollars. Right now, let's have a look at another example of one of our clients, whose name is Nicholas Pede, and we uploaded one video on his channel that got over 3,600 views, right? But at the moment that it even had just 2,500 views, he made a sale of $36,000 of this video, right? So the smartest way to make money on YouTube isn't just to get views, because yes, if you get views, you make money from the ads, right? But the smartest way is to also sell a product, right? So if you make videos about, let's say, how to cook, right? If you have some digital course or ebook or anything that you can sell to this audience, you will make way more money, right? So if we do all the combined, how much money I made with 200 million views with YouTube, it would be over hundreds of thousands of dollars, but specifically with YouTube channel where I had to sell something, it is more than $427,000 that I've made last year. So when you have a product, you can make a lot of money, right? And when you just focus on views, you can also make a lot of money. But the best way to do it is to try to have a specific niche that you are targeting, right? Get as many views as possible, but at the same time have a product that you're going to sell, right? So by answering the question of this video, which was how much money I made with 200 million views, it's more than $500,000, right? From this $500-something thousand dollars, over not $500,000 or $600,000, right? I don't count that. So $427,000 plus I've made about 128 with this one, and I've made 38 with this one. So total it will be about 160, 170, and I've made $40,000 with another channel. So total will be 200,000 views. I've made $200,000 I've made with 200 million views, and besides the $200,000, I also made about $427,000 last year by selling a digital product, right? So total it will be over $600-something thousand dollars of cash collected, right? And what's the funny part about this? That I've made 2 times more money with way more less views on social media with my personal brand than hundreds of millions of views with another channels that were more entertainment based, right? So if there's any theme of this video, and if we can learn something, is that you can actually make way more money on YouTube if you don't just try to get more views, but you try to monetize the views that you get better. So if you get better at monetizing the views that you are already getting, or less views, you will make more money than you try to just get more views, right? Because think about this. If you learn the skill of monetizing 1,000 views as much as possible, the best way possible, when you get 10,000 views, you will be able to monetize that 10 times better. But you need to start here, right? So don't focus on just getting as much amount of views as possible. Yes, of course, if you can get more views with the right audience, do it. That's what I've been doing in the past years with my faceless channels, with clients' channels, with this channel, right? I got 200 million views, but the views that made me the most money were the ones that the videos got less views. Each video got less views, but it was more targeted, and I was selling a product, right? That's how it works. So that's the answer to the question. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to learn how you can actually start this process of getting less views but making more money, and you can actually create a business out of this or scale your existing business, I will leave a free course on your screen right now that I used to charge thousands of dollars for, that you can get access for free. So if you're interested, click that video. I will show you step by step for free how you can start doing this.